सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 149, verse 36. नाप्नोति कर्मणा मोक्षम् विमूढोऽभ्यासरूपिणा धन्यो विज्ञानमात्रेण मुक्तस्तिष्ठत्यविक्रियः. Ashtavakra contrasting the Jnani and Ajnani, a wise person and a ignorant person. Ignorant person is one who is taking moksha as an event in future. It takes place. Moksha has to happen at a particular time. That person we call in Vedanta as especially a Purva Mimamsaka. Purva Mimamsaka means a person who says karma alone gives moksha. Performance of rituals, Vaidika karma throughout life, that alone gives moksha. Suppose we say na karmana na prajaya dhanena mantra is there. Through karma one cannot attain moksha. If we say that person says that is only a figurative statement, he says. There is no tatparyam in that. Therefore, for them, moksha means apraptasya praptihi. I am not muktaha now. I am going to become a muktaha. Now apraptam, I am not muktaha now. I am not attained moksha now. I am going to attain. That is called apraptasya praptihi. What we say, whatever is praptam, which comes in time, particular time, it will go away. Apraptasya praptihi, if you say, that moksha will go away. So anitya moksha it will be, because it has come. Whatever come, that has to go. Therefore, jatasya hi dhruvo mrityuhu. Whatever is born, it has to disappear. So your moksha also will go away. But Shastra is not talking such a moksha, that which you get in time. So Advaitin says, moksha is that is your real nature. Already your real nature. It is not a sadhya vastu. It is a siddha vastu. Praptasya praptihi. Already I am nitya mukta atma, prapta vastu. As though praptam, after coming to the class, as though praptam. Praptasya praptihi. That means what? You recognize I was, I am, I ever will be. I ever will be muktaha. That is called praptasya praptihi. We call it as nitya mokshaha. Nitya mokshaha. Those people who does karmas, he says here, abhyasa rupinan. Those who are inclined to do lot of actions, vimudhaha. We also say karma is important, rituals are important, anushtanam is important. then what we say? That karma cannot give moksha. Karma gives chitta shuddhi, not moksha. We are not criticizing karma. We are not criticizing karma kanda. We are saying what? Karma has got its own limitations. Karma gives only chitta shuddhi, not moksha. But these people, what they do? Moodhaha abhyasa rupina. Lifelong they go on doing karmas. Therefore what? Karmana na apnoti moksham. They cannot attain any amount of karma they do, any amount of yaga, yajna, homa, tapa, japa, anything. Na mokshaha apnoti. He cannot attain. On the other hand, next line, jnani. First line, ajnani. Second line, jnani. Dhanyaha. Those who are very fortunate, blessed one, come to Pandi Bazaar and Kesari High School. அப்படி சொல்லிக்கலாம், தப்பு இல்லையே. தன்யாஹான் விஜ்ஞான மாத்திரேன, by just knowledge. ஞானாத் ஏவது கைவல்யம். விஜ்ஞான மாத்திரேன, that matrena refuting the karma. Karmana moksha na sambhavati jnanena. Vijnana means aparoksha jnanena, not by bookish knowledge. Bhagavad Gita, Upanishad, bookish knowledge he won't give. Aparoksha jnanam. Brahma asti asti, outside, inside. Not that. Brahma is not a paroksha vastu. Brahma is a pratyaksha jnanam. Aham Brahma asmi. This is called indirect knowledge. Brahma asti, if you say, Brahman is there, everywhere, inside, outside, and a paroksha jnanam. If you say Brahma aham asmi, I am Brahman, then that is called direct knowledge, aparoksha jnanam. Vijnana matrena avikriyaha muktaha stishtati. What is that vijnanam? I am actionless atma. Avikriyaha. Avikriyaha means actionless or vikara rahitaha, modificationless, changeless, actionless. Muktaha, ever liberated. I am nitya muktaha. I remain. Which I? Lower I or higher I? Higher I. Higher I is OC or RC? OC. OC means original consciousness. I remain. In spite of vyavaharika vikriya, I am avikriyaha. All vikriyas are taking place in me, the avikriya. All actions are taking place in me, the actionless Atman. Next shloka. Up to here we saw in the last class. So mukti is what? Siddha mukti. This is a nitya mukti. Siddha mukti means already accomplished. The student comes years together to the class. While coming, I want to get moksha, I am going to get moksha, I am going to be liberated. All these plans will be there in the beginning. After studying for a length of time systematically, the student recognizes, I need not get moksha. I understand I am Mukta Swarupa Satchidananda Atma. I was thinking I was Baddhaha. I am Baddhaha, I was thinking. But now I recognize I am ever Muktaha. Before coming to the class also Muktaha only I was. But after coming to the class only I understand that. So I have to come to the class to know that I am ever Muktaha. You should not say I am ever Muktaha only, no Swamini. Why to come to class? To say that you have to come to class. That Kantha Chami Karanyaya and the small chain, minor chain has gone backside. That person is not able to know that chain and he rushed some function place where he went and asked, where is my chain? They said chain is on your neck only. Na. That running for that chain is useful or not useful? He has to recognize I need not run. He has to run to know that I need not run for this chain. He has to know that I need not run. That he has to know by running. By coming to the class, called running. கண்டஜாமிகரண்யாய மாதிரி தான். பிராப்தஸ்ய பிராப்தி, ஒரு நிம்மதி, கஷ்டப்படவே வேண்டாம். பாருங்க நெக்ஸ்ட் 37. மூடோ நாப்னோதி தத் பிரம்ம யதோ பவிதுமிச்சதி அனிச்சன்னபி தீரோஹி பரப்ரம்மஸ்வரூபபாக். यतः, because मूढ़ः ब्रह्म भवितुम इच्छति. Why that मूढ़ः is not able to get liberation? न प्राप्नोति मोक्षम, he said in the first line, previous sloka, 36th sloka, first line you see, karmana moksham na apnoti. Why? Yataha, he is continuing, because मूढ़ः ब्रह्म भवितुम इच्छति. He want to become Brahman. He want to know Brahman. Bhavitum ichchati. He want to become Brahman. He want to become Brahman. How can he become Brahman? If you are not Brahman only, you can become Brahman. If you are not Brahman only, you can become Brahman. This Moodhaha Bhavitum ichchati. I want to become Brahman. I want to merge with the Lord. I want to attain Lord. I want to become one with God. God anna religion lo God, Vedantam lo Brahman. Bhakta, religious person say I want to become one with God. After coming to Vedanta, Vedantic students say what? I want to merge with Brahman. Words are only different. Merge continues. I want to merge with what? Vaikuntha. I want to merge with Lord Narayana. I want to merge with Shiva or Devi. After coming to class only and the God name turned into Brahman. I want to merge with Brahman. Because in the books and all they write, just as the river travel and merges. Here there is no merging. This Moodhaha Bhavitum ichchati. That is why he cannot attain. Moodhaha Yataha Moodhaha Brahma Bhavitum ichchati Tat Brahma na apnoti. That is why he cannot attain Brahman. What it means? He always think Brahman is an object. Bhakta also like that only. I want to merge with God, means God is separate from me, I am different, God is different. Then only the merging question will come. River is different, ocean is different. River can recognize I am water. That is ocean. Better I am here means people will take dip and drink also. Water is useful. Ange pona uppu samudram chappuna irukum Brahman. So, Nama Rupalane, you can enjoy that Brahman. No need of merging. எப்படி இருக்கியோ அப்படியே இரு. ஏன்னா நீ ஆல்ரெடி பிரம்மன் தான். இப்போ ஸ்வீட் பிரம்மன். சுவாமிஜி வாஸ் டெல்லிங், ஒரு ஜாம் மிடில் வச்சேன்னா மேலே கீழே பிரெட்டு மேலே பிரெட்டு மధ్యలో ஜாம் மாதிரி. பிரெட் சப்புன்னு இருக்கும், மధ్యలో ஜாம் சலாட் உப்பு உப்போ ஸ்வீட்டாகவும் இருக்கும். அது மாதிரி people want to run away from the world, people want to drop this body, people want to hate the world. No, this world I don't want. Hey, this is jam. World is jam like. Try to understand. So, Moodhaha na apnoti tad Brahma. Why? Because he want to become Brahman. Sugar want to become sweet. என்ன இப்போ புரியும், இப்போ தான் நல்லா புரியும். சுகர் வாண்ட் டு பிகம் ஸ்வீட். ஏய், சுகர் அண்ணாலே ஸ்வீட் அப்பா. சுகர் நீட் நாட் பிகம் ஸ்வீட். இஸ் தேர் எனி சால்ட்டி சுகர்? கிடையாது. Like that, I need not become Brahman. If you want to become Brahman, it is like sugar want to become sweet. அது ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. So therefore sugar has to recognize what? I am sweet. I was sweet. I am sweet. No one can take sweetness from me. That is the best example. Whereas Jnani anichannapi dhiraha. Dhiraha means a wise श्रद्धावान. साधन चतुष्टय संपन्नः धीरः श्रद्धावान. गुरु शास्त्र प्रमाण द्वारा श्रवण मनन निधिध्यासन कर्ता धीरः. अनिच्छन्नपि, he need not plan, I want to get Brahman, I want to know Brahman. தேவையே இல்லை. If you are a viveki, if you are a sadhana chatushtaya sampannah, you have a guru and shastra pramanam, kartalamalakam. Anichannapi, he means what? Whereas not unlike that person, previous person, this person parabrahma swarupa bhag, he attains brahmatvam, brahman status. Parabrahma means supreme Brahman. Here swarupa bhag means what? My swarupam, my real nature is Atma Swarupam. I am the spirit in the incidental body mind complex. What is knowledge? I am the consciousness existent principle lending sentiency to the inert body mind complex. இது ஞாபகம் இருக்கணும். I am a sentient consciousness existent principle lending sentiency existence to this body matter. I am not body with consciousness. பார், உல்டா பண்றோம் நம்ம. I am not body with consciousness. என்ன சொல்லணும்? I am consciousness with beautiful incidental temporary body. That is what Parabrahma Swarupa Bhak. What a word you say. Param means supreme. Supreme means what? There is no other supreme than this. And the Param Brahman, infinite. That is the meaning. Next shloka we will read 38. Niradhara graham vyagraham मूढ़ा संसार पोषकाः एतस्यानर्थमूलस्य मूलच्छेदकृतो बुधैः. First line for someone else, second line for us. For your choice, you want to take your first line stand or second line. Ashtavakra appadi he is putting a line, drawing a line. நீ அந்த பக்கமா இந்த பக்கமா, first line la irpiya second line na. It is your choice. Now look into the again Ajnani. These Ajnanis niradharaha, supportless. Niradharaha, supportless means what? Without Guru, without Shastram. They don't have support. Shastra support is not there, Guru support is not there. Support means what? Shastra Shravanam, Shastra Mananam, Shastra Nididhyasanam. With the help of a Guru, they are supportless. So you are all what? Having lot of support. What support? Guru support. Shastra support, Veda Mata support is there for you. Okay, they are all Niradharaha, who are all not coming to the class. Okay, why they don't come? Graha Vyagraha. Graha means duragraha ityartha. Duragraha means they never accept Shastra, they never accept Guru. Why we have to go to Guru? He is also like an ordinary person like us. He is also a human being. What is there in the Shastra? Only letters are there, books they print, that's all. They never value Shastra. They are called Duragraha or Grahavyagraha. Adamancy, negligence, recklessness. They never give respect to Gurus, Mahatmas, knowledgeable people, wise people, they never care. On the other hand, they criticize, they blame. And whatever they talk, they say, they are talking, blabbering, they say. They never accept Vedic statements, they never respect Vedic statements, and they never respect those people who are talking Vedic statements also. Such a people called Grahavyagraha. Therefore what? Moodhaha. Now understand, if anyone criticize Shastra, criticize Mahatmas, Gurus, teachers, knowledgeable, wise people, they are all called Moodhaha, dull-witted people. Dull-witted people. Why? So Punya Prarabdha has not fructified for them still. Punya Prarabdha has not fructified. Some people criticize, some people silently they ignore. Some people boldly outside, externally they criticize. Some people they won't criticize, but silently, the silent criticism. Ademo loud criticism. They don't know, but they won't come. They are all niradharaha. Niradharaha. So, Grahavyagraha you can take the violently, the people who are criticizing, adamant, pride, with pride out of vanity, all these things, they won't come. Niradharaha you can take some people who are religious and who are very soft, but they are supportless. Anyway, both are away from Shastra. These people who are good people, passive people, religious people, they won't come to Shastra, but they come slowly. The Vyagra, Grahavyagraha come home, Janma Janmas it will take. More tamasic people and artham. Samsara Poshakaha. They are nourishing. Poshakaha, they are the sustainers. Nourishing the Samsara Vriksha. They are pouring water to Samsara Vriksha. What is the water? Raga, Dvesha, Ahankara, Mamakara, all this nourishing. Aham Mama iti Bhavana Dwara, they are nourishing. They are giving reality to this Samsara Vriksha. Ashwatthamenam suvirudhamulam asangashastrena dhridena chitva. Moodhaha doesn't have the sword to cut the tree, samsara tree. On the other hand, they are nourishing the samsara ajnanam. Whereas our hero, what about our hero? Budhaihi, wise people, by wise people, anartha moolasya etasya moolachchedaha kritaha. This Budhaihi means wise people, those who are having Guru, Shastra Upadesha, they become wise, more wise, wiser, wisest. They become wise. By them, what will happen? The samsara vriksha, anartha moolasya chedaha. Sarva anartha moolam, which is the cause for all problems. Anartha means problems. Moolam, what is that moolam? Ajnanam. Anartha moolam is ajnanam. Etasya anarthasya moolasya. Anartha mool, the root. Moolavanna root, the source of this samsara. Samsara means what? Minsaram. Minsaram shock adikkum. misery and artham, struggle, pain, lot of pain will be there. When the struggle continues, you are going towards samsara and artham. Once your struggle to stop the mind, to avoid people, to avoid problems, I want to run away from this samsara, means I am giving satyatvam to samsara. There is samsara, no samsara there at all, no misery at all, no problem at all. If you look at it, you are the one who has falsified this nama rupa prapancha. Pathinde, kaila pudichinde, holding the pot, you can say, no pot. No pot. Like that, whole world is like a pot. Whole world, nama rupa prapancha is like a pot. Evvala easy solradhu parunga. Moola chedaha kritaha. This person has got the jnana asi. Jnana asi annartham wisdom sword. Asi means angilla asi. All it goes to that jnana asina. That asi means sword. You take the sword and remove that root. Jnana asina moola chedaha kritaha. Chedaha means to cut. Moolaha means the root. The root cause of the samsara is destroyed, removed, eliminated. Kritaha, done by these wise people. Who are they? Ashtavakra Gita students. Chullikalamo. Ashtavakra Gita students. Budhaihi. Etasya anartha moolasya and ajnanasya. Ajnanam, atma ajnanam eva samsarasya karanam. Self-ignorance is the cause of all problems, insecurity, unhappiness. All problems are because of that fear, so many things. So they have destroyed this ajnanam through jnana sword. Ajnana tree, not with mela illa, with root. Hanuman எடுத்துன மாதிரி சஞ்சீவனி பர்வதமே எடுத்துட்டு வந்துட்டார். சஞ்சீவனி ட்ரீ கொண்டு வாப்பான்னா சஞ்சீவனி பர்வதமே கொண்டு வந்தாருன்னா அந்த போல் பர்வதம். அது மாதிரி எந்த அஜ்ஞானமும் இது எதுக்கு இது ப்ராப்ளம் அது people are all sorting out all these problems, one problem, other problem. They are changing one problem to from one shoulder to other shoulder. Like நம்ம பேக் கீழே வச்சிடப்பா, you need to change. And the person who is traveling in the train keeping the suitcase on his head. ஏன்னா ஐயோ வெயிட் டு த ட்ரெயின் அண்ணா. அது மாதிரி why you are carrying problems, keep all of them like what? All are false only. Adha mithyatva nischayam is called dropping. So this person kritaha moolachhedaha kritaha. Pannina santosham, pannalana padu maname padu. That is called jnana asi. Adhe Shastra says in Puranas all they say jnana netram. Why they call jnana netram? Mukkannu Bhagavan Shivan vande mukkannu. Why this is, what is this name? Agnya chakram. Jnanam, jnana netram means what? Netram is that because of which you see the objects. Similarly, jnana netram is that because of which you see your real nature. See enna? See enna. You understand, you discover, you recognize. So therefore we are not niradharaha. Okay, we are not graha vyagraha. We are not moodhaha. Therefore we are all doing what? Moolacheda. கிளாஸ்லேருந்து மார்னிங்லேருந்து சாயங்காலம் வரைக்கும் ஒரே கட்டோ கட்டு 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 இதே வேலை. என்ன? ஆல் ராங் நோஷன்ஸ். ஈச் ராங், எவ்ரி நோஷன், எவ்ரி விருத்தி இஸ் கனெக்டட் டு ஒன் அனாத்மா ஆர் அதர். ஸோ வாட் ஐ டூ? ஐ ஸ்னாப், ஐ கட் இட், ஐ டிஸ்கனெக்ட். இட்ஸ் மித்யா 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 மித்யான்னு அந்த ஆப்ஜெக்டிவ் டைப் கொஷின் பேப்பரில் டிக் டிக் போட்ட மாதிரி அதே மாதிரி போடணும். அவ்வளோதான். சிம்பிள், வெரி வெரி சிம்பிள். So instead of getting Jnana sword, this Ajnani is doing what? Pouring water more and more nourishing and aludinde irpa eppume castor oil face enna namak enna face blooming face because of sattva guna, more and more sattva guna, less and less rajo guna, tamo guna. There is a lot of tranquility, there is a lot of prashantata, there is a lot of ananda because of sattva guna. Sattvat sanjayate jnanam. What about mind, Swamini? Mind, jnani mind also fluctuate. Okay, mind is always fluctuating. Never try to stop the mind. Watch the fluctuating mind. And the ECG பார்க்கும்போது இப்படி 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 அது எனக்கு நல்லா பிடிக்கும். மைண்டு தான் அது. So you have to see fluctuating mind. I am tranquil, Atma Swarupam. In me, the mind fluctuates like BP fluctuate madri. Let it fluctuate. Not knowing this, people want to correct the money, make the mind perfect. I am ever perfect with imperfect mind. Handle the imperfect mind. அவ்வளோதான் அது. Reasonably make it, adjust it. கிளாஸுக்கு வர வரைக்கு அதுக்கப்புறம் கிளாஸில் உட்காந்து வச்சுட்டான்னா சாஸ்திரா வில் டேக் கேர் ஆகும். அந்த அளவுக்கு கொண்டு வரணும் மனசு. கிளாஸுக்கு வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் யூ நீட் நாட் பாதர், சாஸ்திரா வில் ட்ரிம் இட். அந்த மனசுని శాస్త్ర గురు వాక్యం మేక్ ఇట్ ట్రిమ్ అన్నారు. నెక్స్ట్ శ్లోక 39. న శాంతిం లభతే మూఢః యతః శమితుమిచ్ఛతి ధీరస్తత్వం వినిశ్చిత్య सर्वदा शान्तमानसः. Yataha. Yataha means, again, first line about Ajnani, second line about us, about Jnani, about us. Okay. Yataha. This because why this person is nourishing samsara. My son is giving problem, my mother-in-law is giving problem, my neighbor is giving problem, or someone else is giving problem. Therefore what I do now? I want to avoid, I want to run away, I want to change them. Like this I try, or I shut down my mind. Power shutdown madri. The Ashtanga Yoga Abhyasa people, what they do? Mind shut down. Mind vela pandintane problem. Therefore mind shut down. Ashtanga Yoga Abhyasa. Whereas Jnani never shut down the mind. Jnani never shut down the mind. If you shut down the mind, how can you get Jnanam? Therefore, Jnani, wise person is one happily use the mind. Instead of shutting down the mind, what you have to do? Well train the mind, discipline the mind, channelize your mind. On the other hand, this moodhaha vidave matar pargu. Moodhaha yataha moodhaha shamitum ichchati. Shamitu means he want to calm down the mind, he want to relax the mind, he want to do meditation. So that meditation, I cannot, I need not think about anyone. I can meditate only upon my Ishtadevata. I can meditate upon something else. So that what, really speaking, meditation is an escaping route. நிஜமா சொல்லணும் என்ன, இந்த ஏகரூப தியானம் அநேக ரூப தியானம் எல்லாமே trying to escape from what? From மாமியார் or from father-in-law or from someone else or other. Not only that, from they want to escape from their own mind. அதுதானே மாதிரி மனசு தியானம் என்ன அர்த்தம்? They want to escape from their mind. Shastra says, instead of escaping your mind, Dayananda Swamiji says, look at your mind as a friend. Be compassionate, kind towards your mind. Don't look at mind as your enemy, as a problematic one. Look at it as your own friend. It is helping you. Manasa eva aptavyam. Through mind only you can know Brahman. If now you are listening in the class, without mind can you listen or with mind? If it is mind problematic, I have kept mind at home, Swamini, I want to listen Shastra because mind is problematic. Yeah, you cannot understand Shastra without mind. Now what you have to do? Convert the problematic mind into a non-problematic mind. Disturbing mind, non-disturbing mind. Rajasic mind, tamasic mind, convert it into sattvic mind. That's all you have to do. அதுக்கு நிறைய சாதனாஸ் சொல்லியிருக்கானே சாஸ்திரம். இது ஒன்றும் பண்ணாமலே எல்லா மெடிடேஷன் கிளாஸுக்கு ரன்னிங் பீப்புள். ஒரு அனுஷ்டானம் ஒரு சாதனை பண்ண மாட்டான். க்ளோஸ் யுவர் ஐஸ், ரொம்ப ஈஸி, ஒன்றும் சாதனை வேண்டாம். க்ளோஸ் யுவர் ஐஸ், நல்லா இருக்கா சுவாமி மெடிடேஷனு. அதே உபவாசம் இருக்கணும்னா, என்ன பூஜை பண்ணணும்னா, ஜபம் பண்ணணும்னா பண்ணணும். இங்கே ஒன்றும் பண்ண வேண்டாம், தூங்கு. மூடா ஷமித்தும் இச்சதி என்ன, சாந்தம் வேணும் வேணும்னு கேட்குறான். வாட் அஷ்டாவக்ர சேஸ், சாந்திம் ந லபதே, சாந்திம் ந லபதே. இட் இஸ் நாட் பாசிபிள். ஹி நெவர் அட்டைன்ஸ் சாந்தி, பீஸ். வாட் ஐ ஆம் பர்ஃபெக்ட் ஆத்மா வித் இம்பர்ஃபெக்ட் மைண்டுன்னு புரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டியது போய் அந்த மைண்டை சாந்தப்படுத்தணும். ஐ வாண்ட் டு மேக் மை மைண்ட் சாந்தி, பியோர், டோட்டல்லி பீஸ்ஃபுல் அன்னார். Impossible. That is impossible. Sankalpa vikalpatmakam manaha is always, it's like a dog tail. Dog tail, can you make it straight? Dog tail. Have you seen anywhere dog tail is straight? கிடையாது. You tie with a stick. கொஞ்ச நேரம் இருக்கும், remove that stick, again it turn. How long you can sit in meditation? As long as you sit in meditation, mind is calm and quiet. But how long you can sit? Again you have to get up from meditation. Some people after doing meditation, they get a lot of aversion towards people, aversion towards sound, aversion towards noise. These are all negative effects, side effects of the meditation. Because not understanding what is mind. Therefore, na shantim labhate. They can never attain peace. Dhirahatu tattvam vinischitya. Whereas our hero, Gnani, Ashtavakra Gita student, Dhiraha tattvam vinischitya. Tattvam means the reality, the truth. Vinischitya means having understood. Nischayam krutva. Atma anatma vivekam dvara. Anatma mithya, Atma satyam. That satya Atma I am. I am handling this body mind complex. Idi vinischitya anar. பல்லு வலி இருக்கேன்னா அது அனாத்மாக்கு தான். ஆத்மாக்கு அம்மா ஆத்மாக்கு பல்லு வலி உண்டோடின்னா. I am suffering. Atma is not suffering because you are identifying with ahankara, which ahankara belongs to Sukshma Shariram. That mind is suffering because that mind is attached to body. Deha abhimana. In spite of leg pain, tooth pain, all pains, I am painless Atma Swarupam. Recognize. Okay, you can never make your body painless. You can never make mind painless. Then what you can do? You recognize I am ever dukkha rahita Atma in this body which has got what? Vyadhi, Jara, Marana. This is the fact here. I am வியாதி மரண ஜரா ரஹிதா இஸ் த ஃபேக்ட். ஸோ இந்த ஃபேக்ட் ரெண்டுமே கிளப் பண்ணக்கூடாது. நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம்? கிளப் பண்ணுறோம். திஸ் பாடி மைண்ட் இஸ் எவர் இம்பர்ஃபெக்ட். ஈவன் பகவான் டேக்ஸ் திஸ் பாடி, தட் பாடி இஸ் ஆல்சோ இம்பர்ஃபெக்ட். யூ கேன் நெவர் மேக் இட். whereas you need not make your real swarupam atma which is ever perfect. This is mithya, anityam, temporary. Recognize this fact and use this what? Defective body mind complex according to its prarabdha. Like a wooden plank you put in the water, it moves. How it moves? Who makes that wooden plank to move? Wind. Similarly, this body mind is like a wooden plank moving in the waters. What is water? Atma. In the Atma Chaitanyalla, in the wooden plank, wooden plank madri moving because of prarabdha wind. You have no control. Because nama prarabdham namakke theriyadu. Vandathukku appuram da theriyum. Appo nama prarabdhamna unju nama lower eye or higher eye? அப்பா உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் உடனே சர்டிஃபிகேட் கொடுக்கணும். வெரி குட். தீரஹா தத்துவம் வினிச்சித்ய சர்வதா சாந்த மானசஹ. திஸ் இஸ் அப்சல்யூட் சாந்தி. ப்ரீவியஸ் லைனில் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைனில் வாட் ஹீ இஸ் ட்ரைங்? ரிலேட்டிவ் பீஸ். ரிலேட்டிவ் பீஸ் இஸ் ரிலேட்டிவ், இஸ் டெம்பரரி. திஸ் ஞானி இஸ் ஒர்க்கிங் ஃபார் வாட்? நாட் ஒர்க்கிங், ரிகக்னைசிங் शांतं शिवम अद्वैतम चतुर्थम मन्यन्ते स आत्मा स विज्ञेयः. अहम यवर शांतः आत्मस्वरूपः शांतमानसः. शांतमानसः न मनस इप्पुडु शांతం एप्पुडु आयिच्चुन्ना in a gnani mind is a beautiful mind. That mind will not disturb. Even comes fluctuations also, it is like a manasa sarovaram. You remember the ocean. In the ocean, in the middle of the ocean, no disturbance. Adi Shanta Manasam, Pacific Ocean madri. And the front of the ocean, there are ripples, waves. And the front lo vara ripples, waves ella Ajnani mind. In the middle lo irukra parungo, adi Gnani mind. Ipo nammaldu Gnani mind, Ajnani mind. Ajnani mind anna ripples, waves, up and downs. In the middle of the ocean is very steady, firm. Therefore, I am Shantamanasaha. That is a wonderful, enlightened mind is a lightened mind. No tension, no anxiety. Tension vanda kuda, oho manasula iniki tension varakka irukkan paapam avan. And the manasini paavam paravaala iniki பொறுத்துக்கோ சொல்லணும். ஏன்னா மனசு தானே பாவம். அதுக்கு என்ன திரிகுணாத்மிக மனசு. ஒரு வாட்டி தமோ குணம் டாமினண்ட்டாக இருக்கும், ஒரு வாட்டி ரஜோ குணா இஸ் டாமினண்ட், அனதர் டைம் சத்துவ குணா இஸ் டாமினண்ட். ஓஹோ இப்போ இந்த குணம் டாமினண்ட்டாக இருக்கான். இப்போ அந்த மூவி மாதிரி பார்க்கணும். மூவி வாட் சத்வ ரஜஸ்தமோ குணா மாதிரி ஃப்ளக்சுவேட்டிங்னா ஒரு பெரிய ட்ராமா. சீரியல். நோ டிக்கெட். Ticket is not necessary, screen is not necessary, electricity is not necessary. எவ்வளோ ஃப்ரீ ட்ராமா கிடைக்கிறது பாருங்க. சாந்த மானசஹா. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா. क्वात्मनो दर्शनं तस्य यदृष्टमवलम्बते धीरास्तं तं न पश्यन्ति पश्यन्त्यात्मानमव्ययम्. Very nice shlokas. First line, yat drishtam avalambate. It's a very the word itself is very difficult to understand this. Yat drishtam avalambate means yena brahma drishyattvena avalambate, that by whom Brahman is objectified, who is trying to see Brahman or Atman as an second objective entity. Yat drishtam means yasya drishtam or yena drishtam. Whose knowledge? Drishtam means whose knowledge. Whose jnanam, knowledge. Darshanam. Darshanam means what? Objectified. Darshana means perceived, observed, experienced. Darshanam. Yat drishtam avalambate tasya, for such a person. Kva atmanaha darshanam. Where is the question of atma jnanam for him? அவனேமோ தர்ஷனம் என்ன கண்ணு திறந்து அப்படியே பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கான். இது either opening the eyes or closing the eyes. Some people are opening eyes and searching for God. Some people are closing the eyes and searching for God. We are advanced, no? Now not searching for God, we are searching for Atma. Some people are searching for consciousness. Some people are opening eyes and searching. Some people are closing eyes and searching. But searching. Kva atmanaha darshanam. Where is the question of atma jnanam? The darshanam anna don't take literally. The one who want to see atma as drishtam, as outside object, for him, yuga yugas, kalpas go, he never get atma jnanam. Ye na. அவனது ஆத்மா, அவன் ஆத்மாவா இருந்த ஆத்மாக்காக தேடினா எங்கே கிடைக்கும்? How can he get Atma? How can he understand Atma? The searcher is Atma. The searcher of Atma or God has to recognize I am Atma. Searcher need not be searched. Cannot be searched. Searcher cannot be searched. Whatever you search is different from the searcher. Whatever you observe is different from the observer. Experienced is different from the experiencer. Knower is different from the known. Therefore what? Stop experiencing, knowing, observing, perceiving outside. Recognize. How to recognize, Swamini? Leave deha abhimana, body, mind, attachment. Ahankara, mamakara. கொஞ்சமா ரெடியூஸ் பண்ணு, அப்பதான் வரும். தேகாபிமானம் விடாமலே மனாபிமானம் தேகாபிமானம். இஃப் இட் இஸ் a strong தேகாபிமான, ego, ahankara, that mind can never bend towards atma jnanam. Understand its limitation, body mind limitation. Never give utmost importance to that. You have to know its limitation. Then you know it is unreal. And the limitation, dosha darshanam irkanam first. After dosha darshanam only you can know it is mithya. Until you get that dosha darshanam, you cannot get a mithya darshanam. First dosham பார்க்கணும், அதனுடைய லிமிட்டேஷன்ஸ் பார்க்கணும். இதனுடைய லிமிட்டேஷன் இந்த உடம்பு அங்கெங்கேயோ சொல்லக்கூடாது. அதனுடைய லிமிட்டேஷன் பார்க்கணும்னா அங்கேயே பார்த்துட்டு இந்த பாடியோட லிமிட்டேஷன், மைண்டோட லிமிட்டேஷன் புரிஞ்சுக்கோ. வியாதி, ஜர, மரண, என்ன துக்க மிஸ்ரிதத்துவம், அதிருப்திகரத்துவம், பந்தகத்துவம், கீப்பிங் மீ ஆல் த டைம், நோ ப்ராப்ளம், நோ. Therefore, understand its dosha, and dosha darshanam is one of the qualification for mithyatva nischayam. Okay, சும்மா போய் மித்யான்னு சொல்ல முடியாது. அம்மோ என்னுடைய கால் மித்யா எப்படி ஆகும்? இது எப்படி மித்யா ஆக முடியும்? என்னுடைய கால், என்னுடைய மனசு, அம்மோ இவ்வளோ அபிமானம். The abhimana is very natural. But slowly, gradually you have to drop. Slowly. That is why dhiraha. Dhiraha, next line. We are coming to us, okay. Dhiraha tam na pashyanti. Dhiraha, the wise people, they won't see this and that. Tam anna this and that. Idu paakano, adi paakano anni onnume irukadu. Dhiraha. Dhiraha na pashyanti. Then what they do? Pashyanti atmanam avyayam atmanam. They recognize, they understand. Avyayam Atmanam, the Atma which is declensionless, which is ever the same, decayless. Vyayam anna decay. Avyayam means decayless. It never perish. Imperishable Atmanam. And that Atma, they Pashyanti means they recognize. Tam tam na pashyanti. What? My brother, my son, my daughter, my house, my car. Okay, all are anatma, vyavaharika satyam. I am avyaya atma, paramarthika satyam. Adi knowledge. Next shloka 41. Kwa nirodho vimudhasya yo nirbandham karoti vai स्वारामस्यैव धीरस्य सर्वदा सावकृत्रिमः निरोधः यः निर्बन्धं करोति क्व निरोधः मूढस्य यः whoever the why means it is well known, very popular, it is everyone knows. Nirbandham karoti, always trying to control the mind. Nirbandham. There are different types of vrittis. Among those vrittis, nirbandham is one vritti. Nirodhaha. Nirodhaha alone is nirbandham. Nirbandham or nirodhaha. Kshiptam मूढ़ः विक्षिप्तम एकाग्रम निरोधः. क्षिप्त इन योग शास्त्र देशे क्षिप्त मनः, क्षिप्त वृत्ति, मूढ़ वृत्ति, विक्षेप वृत्ति, एकाग्र वृत्ति, निरोध वृत्ति. In meditation they all practice this. Kshipta vritti, that thought goes here and there haywire. Kshipta vritti. Moodha vritti anna sleeping. Okay. Or vikshepa vritti anna always a distracting mind. Kshiptaniki vikshiptaniki konja difference irukka. I am not going deeply into that. Ekagra vritti, focusing. Nirodha vritti anna samadhi. So nirbandham, he is trying to control the mind. Vimudhasya kwa nirodhaha. He can never stop the mind. Mind is meant to vayo durnigraham chalam. Arjuna asked Krishna. It is like a vayu. Control the vayu. You can keep vayu one place. Vayu anu vekkalamemo tavare manasu matram vekka mudiyadu. Purinjakanu. Okay. Nirodhaha kwa. Where is the question of controlling the mind? Who is trying to control the mind? Is it possible for me, for him? No. Whereas our hero, Swaramasya Dhirasya Sarvada Akritrimaha Asau. That type of mind control is always Akritrimaha. Akritrimaha means here it is not Kritrimamanna. It is not natural. In that way you have to take it. Kritrimam means not natural. It is spontaneous. Whatever he is trying to by doing that dhyanam practice and all, that is unnatural. That is not natural. He is not doing that natural. But a jnani, for him it is a natural, spontaneous mind retention. Kritrima Shwasa, Akritrima Shwasa சொல்லுவேன் இல்லையா, ஆக்சிஜன் சிலிண்டர் வச்ச அது அக்ரித்ரிம சுவாசம். அந்த மீனிங்கில் எடுத்துக்கூடாது இங்கே. அக்ரித்ரிமா மீன்ஸ் கிருத்ரிமம்னா நாட் நேச்சுரல், பட் ஃபார் ஹிம் ஹியர் அக்ரித்ரிமம்னா நேச்சுரல். நேச்சுரல் மீன்ஸ் ஸ்பான்டேனியஸ். அசௌ சர்வதா அக்ரித்ரிமஹா மீன்ஸ் ஹிஸ் மைண்ட் இஸ் ஆல்வேஸ் அண்டர் ஹிஸ் control. Control means not disciplining, but it is very calm and quiet. That is the meaning. Next shloka we will read. Sarvada, all the times. not sitting in only meditation. That is the meaning. Bhavasya bhavakah kaschit na kinchit bhavako parah ubhaya bhavakah kaschit evameva nirakulah. The words are zigzag, no? Here bhavasya, bhavakaha, all these nothing. Some people say world is. They are called Naiyayikas, bhavakaha. Some people say Shunyavadis, there is no world at all. What about us? We are Ubhaya Abhavakahanar, either existent or non-existent. Vedantin never say world is existent or non-existent. It is neither Sunyam nor Satyam. Then what? Mithya. That is our standpoint. That is the meaning of this shloka. Ubhaya abhavakaha evameva nirakulaha. Without any disturbance, I remain in mithya prapancha. Purnamadah purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate purnasya purnamadaya purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.